to Lynne, and I'm so excited to be performing at this year's Can I Live Festival at Knitting Factory in Brooklyn, New York on June 22nd. I released a single on March 1st called Didn't I, so you'll get to hear that, but you'll also hear my song Seeing Red, all of the proceeds of which are being donated to Mercy for Animals on an ongoing basis. Be sure to follow Can I Live Festival on Instagram. And to check out what I'm up to, go to rachelynsings.com, or you can follow me at rachelynsings.
What's going on, New York City? It's your boy Philly Stallone, here to encourage all of you to come down June 22nd as we throw down for the second annual Can I Live Animal Rights Music Festival. Proceeds will be donated to local sanctuaries, and all the artists that will be performing for you that night will be vegan. Come check us out, support the community, and don't forget to follow Can I Live on social media, as well as myself.
If you're wearing fur, we'll come for you like the hunter that came for the animal that trapped them and made them suffer. Trust me, I'm not a bluffer, your ass better run for cover. You heartless motherfucker!
Hi, I'm Jules. I'm Allison.
I'm Walter.
And we are Bay Patrol.
Are we?
Why don't you open up your eyes and realize that everything that you devour leaves you alive?
We are really excited to play the Can I Live Animal Rights Music Festival on June 22nd at the Knitting Factory.
We're so excited. We're going to be releasing a single the same week as the festival. So for more information about the festival, follow Can I Live
Animal Rights Music Festival.
And about the single, follow us, Bay Patrol Music, on Facebook and Instagram.
Yay!
What's going on, y'all? This is Teqkoi, the artist, vegan rapper, aka Young Turn Up, and you know I'm juiced up about the Can I Live Music Festival. It's going down this summer, June 22nd, at the Knitting Factory. You hear me? Yes, at the Knitting Factory in Brooklyn. You get to see actual vegan artists live on stage representing for the animals. This is what we do, baby.
I told y'all all we need on the place. Protect the environment, let trees enhance. No more seasons, no more kids. We're not kidding, it's about time for this. Watch what the hell got a rose in a trance.
You can check out my music. I just released my 7th album, Truest Side, 13 tracks on it. You can follow me on Instagram, vegan rapper. So can I live?
Hi guys, I'm Kirsten Marylin. I am so excited to perform at Can I Live 2019 at the Knitting Factory on June 22nd. We have a bill of all vegan artists, and I am so honored to be a part of this lineup. I just released a vegan track called The Dark back in February. You can download that on my website, kirstenmarylin.com. 50% of the proceeds of that track go to benefit Rancho Relaxo Farm Sanctuary in New Jersey. And you can hear me perform that track live at Can I Live. Follow me on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Follow Can I Live, and we will see you on June 22nd.
Hi, I'm DJ Candace V, and I'm super excited to be playing at this year's Can I Live Music Festival at the Knitting Factory on June 22nd. All proceeds from the event go to Lewis Oliver Farm Sanctuary and Humane Long Island. So come out, tell everybody, come out and support. For more information about the festival, follow Can I Live. To check out what I'm up to, you can follow me on social media at Candace V Music.
Candace. Didn't see you there. It's your girl Frequency, of course. That's FREAKQUEMCEE on all social media platforms. And July 22nd, I'll be performing at the Can I Live Festival at the Knitting Factory. What I need y'all to do, I mean, you right there with the sexy ass smile. And you right there, you look good, brother. Yeah, I need y'all to pull up real quick and show us some love because it's gonna be so amazing. And also, you know, maybe just follow me also at asa.nwk. Of course, I do my thing with the community and I put on for the community, so I need all of y'all's support.
Hey guys, this is Mo Loud. I'm excited to let you know that this Saturday, June 22nd, I'll be playing a show at the Knitting Factory in Brooklyn. The show will be part of the Can I Live Festival. Join me and my fellow musicians standing against animal abuse. Can't wait to see you all, guys. Peace.